Hi everyone, this is KG Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video, which is one of the music video of a Cup of Joe, the new music video of Cup of Joe, which is The Multo. So I won't say any longer, based here sa description nila. Oh, under Viva Music pala ito. Okay, recorded, okay, arranged by. Alright, ang pagkakaalam ko kasi, I'm really eager to make a reaction video to this one because andito si Elijah Canlas and si Miles Ocampo, which is something like, I am a low-key fan of their relationship as well. So I won't take any longer. Gusto ko lang makita din kung how they will gonna create or how will they gonna execute the said song to the storyline of the said music video. So excited ako mapanood siya, kung anong klaseng atake nila dito, and curious lang ako. Curious lang talaga ako. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. If I'm not mistaken, this is the second time na gagawa ako ng reaction video, ng music video ng Cup of Joe. The first one is kasama si Bini Juana. Alright. Let's check it out. Wala talagang sound? Ay, wala talaga siyang sound eh. Okay. Akala ko naman may problema ako dito. Ay! Ganyan pa talaga dapat, ma'am? Ang gustong-gusto ko tong relationship nila. Buti nga nagkabalikan sila, no? Feeling ko may twist to eh. Feeling ko talaga may twist to. Gwapo ni Elijah, nakakainis. Ay, wait lang. Parang feeling ko patay na dito si Elijah. Feeling ko si Elijah ang multo dito. Sa totoo lang. Feeling ko... Ay, oo, imagination. True. Oh my God, this is so sad. Ang sad naman ito. Ang sad naman ito. Oh, nag-loading pa talaga. Okay. Oh, ang lungkot ng music video nila, in fairness. Oy. I can feel the agony of pain. Seriously. I can really feel the agony of pain. I can really feel the agony of pain, dear. Oh, the acting skills of Miles Ocampo. Oh, imagine. I don't know if namatay siya or nag-break lang talaga sila. Ganda ng nag-a-adlibs. Ang ganda ng nag-a-adlibs. Oy, this is so sad. Gagix, ang lungkot. Ang lungkot, hayop. My God, ay nag-away sila. So hindi namatay, naglayas lang pala. Tama ba? Ano ba? Tapos nagpakamatay, gano'n? Hoy, hindi siguro. Ay hindi siya naglayas. Iniwan niya lang talaga ang bahay. Oh my God, I can feel the agony of pain sa totoo lang. Like literally, I can really feel the agony of pain for today's video. Hindi mo kaya? In fairness, ang ganda ng storyline. Multwa. Multwa for today's video. Wait, am I missing something? Ay, ano ba? What's going on? What's going on, dear? In fairness sa storyline ng kanilang music video, tapos na, yun na yun. Anyways, gusto kong ulitin lang dito sa part na to na, ayun, dito sa part na to talaga to. Oh my God! Medyo naging emotional tayo for today's video. Hindi ko siya madibang-dibang kung naghiwalay sila. Or what not. Ano ba? Or namatay si Elijah? What do you think? Ang saklap naman kung namatay. Ayan o, masaya pa sila, di ba? Oh, ayun o, gabi yung switching. Ang switching ng emotion. You can really feel the agony of pain, isn't it? Yun lang talaga masasabi ko sa music video na to. I can feel the agony of pain. Magaling siya. In fairness, ang ganda. Anyways, there you go guys. It is our for today's video. The Multo Cup of Joe official music video. Love it, ang ganda. This is KG Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!